What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Let's talk about one position that I've mentioned a lot lately. It's been XRP. I think XRP has a ton of potential, right? I know me saying this doesn't really mean anything to anyone. And the reason why it doesn't mean anything to anyone is because we all know XRP has a ton of potential. It's just how much potential does it truly have? Can it get to a level of $1,000? Can it get to a level of, $10,000 or whatever? Even if it gets to a level of $100, it still makes people insanely wealthy because it's currently at 60 cents and it's at a $32 billion market cap, meaning that it needs to grow a lot in order to get to this, $100 mark, $20 mark, whatever price point we believe it's going to get to. It needs to work its kind of, for lack of a better term, ass off in order to get to some of these areas. And sorry for the people that watch, with families or watching on speaker. I apologize. I don't generally curse a lot, so I just want to make sure that you guys know that. But I want to talk about XRP, and I want to talk about why I'm deciding to do something that I didn't say I was going to do. I wasn't going to increase my cost basis for XRP, but I'm going to buy another $1,000 worth of XRP today because I mentioned this on Twitter and said, hey, I should buy another $1,000 worth of XRP. And you had a lot of traction, right? You had a lot of people that said, yeah, you know what? You should buy some. But then there were also some people that were like, no, don't buy that. Buy Caspa or buy this position or buy this position. And I just kind of ignored that. I looked at some of the plays. Some of them were just, not saying they were all garbage, but some of them were just not it. But yeah, I put down that I was going to basically take $1,000 and invest more into XRP. And I didn't want to invest any more into cryptocurrency. Now, granted, this is going to be short term. This is not going to be a long-term thing, but it helps me be able to hold a lot longer with the position that I do have now. So I'll explain exactly what that plan is going to be, not really go through the entire exit strategy spreadsheet or anything, but I will go through exactly what we have here. And I'm going to be making that purchase live in this video. Not really live, but I guess as live as it can be. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Rumble, follow me on Patreon, those links are all in the description. I am going to be building an exit strategy spreadsheet for XRP. If you guys want that, it'll be over in the Patreon. Any single paid membership, it could be the Discord or communities level membership. It could be the Profit Hands membership, Expert Profit Hands, the Financial Freedom membership. Any of those will give you this spreadsheet, and we'll be able to do those updates. And I will update you guys when I do make those updates. So if we look at XRP and where it currently stands, it's at 60 cents, 60 point or almost 61 cents. We see that this is down about 0.5%. On the day, you see $32 billion or almost $33 billion market cap with a $1 billion $1 billion volume day. So it's down 6% in that $1 billion volume day. Now, the volume to market cap ratio, 3.1%. The overall supply, you're looking at about 54 billion, and it should be 54 billion by the end of next month, maybe even closing in on 55 billion. They add 1 billion tokens or 1 billion coins every single month. So that's why you would see that, and you would see that steadily increase. Now, there is 53% of the supply that's out there, meaning that there's 100 billion total tokens. Well, technically, there's some that's burned off. So 99.9 billion tokens that are there because you have, I think, 11 million or something like that that's burned off. And as we see more and more volume, more and more transactions, more burns that will happen. But let's leave that aside. Let's not even talk about that. What we need to talk about is just where the potential is for XRP. Now, just to briefly go through where that potential is, I believe XRP, should be worth up in these tens of or 20s or even $100 or so because of what it is set out to be. Now, is it 100% going to be that in that world currency implemented within all banks, within all monetary systems, and being implemented within the cross-border payment system or systems. I don't know, right? It's supposed to be set up that way to where it's entering this $300 trillion sector. However, and other sectors as well. But however, it's not 100% confirmed that that's going to happen. It's just looking like that's what it is set up for, right? Because you see Ripple and what's implemented there and how, their payment system or payment, options are implemented within banks. But you don't really have XRP being used in that scenario. So that's where it's kind of like, is it really type of thing? But we understand the growth and the potential of where XRP can go. And that's kind of where we stand. Because if it truly was that, XRP would already be worth a hell of a lot because the anticipation for that would be ridiculous. But we're kind of assuming that that would be the case. Now, I said in a tweet recently that I was going to buy $1,000 worth of XRP. I said, should I buy $1,000 worth of XRP? I don't even know where I actually put it, but let's see if I can find it. I said, should I buy $1,000 worth of XRP? And it got a good amount of traction. If I could find it somewhere, I tend to tweet a lot. So it's somewhere. I said it yesterday, right there. So I said, thinking about buying another $1,000 worth of XRP today. Good idea or a bad idea? You had a good amount of traction, good amount of impressions as well. So people were definitely looking at it, but you had 53 comments and a lot of people saying that, yes, it is a good idea. So what I'm going to do, again, this is going to be short term that I am doing this. I'm going into Coinbase right now and I'm going to buy, and I'm going to take the max, which is over $1,000. And it's going to buy XRP to USD, and I'm going to go ahead and buy it, which it should give me, I don't really know how much it's going to give me, but it should add to that. And now I have 3,347 or something of that amount. I can't really see it. It's kind of small. If you guys want to see it, I'll just move my head. So right above here, they're going to see that I have 3,000 more XRP. So I bought that just now. And again, just to confirm, this is going to be short term. The reason why it's going to be short term is because I want to be able to free up the thought of not having to take XRP or profit on XRP early, because I feel like, yes, it's going to be valuable and I want to be able to hold, multiple hundreds as we get into that valuable state. But as we cross some of these places, I still do want to take profit and feel good about those profitable areas. So if this ends up running to a level to where it is over $1 up to 100 or $1.20 or something like that, that's where I will find a place to take some of this profit. Or, I'm expecting it to push up to that level of $1, and that's where I will end up taking a decent amount of that profit. So I don't know how much I did buy there, but I'll figure out exactly how much I bought. And that's how much I will end up being or taking out, or I will probably take out the initial investment of that, which is $1,000, to throw that into where it was going to go in the first place, which was my bank account or my dividend investing portfolio. So we'll see how all of this goes. That's my plan for XRP. Hopefully you guys understand where I'm coming from. You like where I'm coming from. But it's not something that's a completely long term, but it does free up my other position for being more longer term. Right? So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. I'm going to get out of here and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.